There, now we're ready to begin. And as you can see, we're in a rather special park today where we might meet some dinosaurs. Two knees together, leg to the other side, arm to the sky, and let's open up this side. Ooh. Wow, look at it inside, coming all the way up to centre and all the way up to stand. Wow, it's so lush and green in here, it's amazing. Oh, can you hear that? Giving our ears a rub? Goodness me, that's a funny sound. Coming up onto our knees, everyone, and tucking up small like a little mouse. Ooh. Coming all the way up to sit. For you. I think they've gone. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? Now, let's go in and explore the park a little bit further. We go over the bridge. Now we sweep our arms up high, crisscross our fingers and hold on as we go whoosh and whee all the way through the tree canopy. Wow, it's amazing up here. We can see a diplodocus. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, look, that's the walkie-talkie from base camp. Let's answer it. Receiving, come in, we are on the raft boat.
All operatives in the park, the dinosaurs have escaped.
Escaped?
It's an evacuation alert.
Dinosaurs?
We have a serious problem.
Problem? Okay. Oh, it seems to have stopped. Now we need to hide. Coming down onto our knees, everyone, and tucking up nice and small. Here it comes for our sandwiches. Oh, coming up to sit. For you. Well done. It clearly enjoyed our sandwiches and off it went. We take our arms out nice and wide. We drop down onto one hand and we wave at the sky. Say, hi, sky. Hi, sky. We bring one foot in front of our knee and shoot our back leg out behind us, lifting our hip. And look, up in the sky, we see a whole flock of pterodactyls. Let's wave at the pterodactyls. Hi, pterodactyls. Hiya. Let's do our pod plane pose on the other side. Coming back to two knees, arms wide, we drop down onto our other hand. Let's give another wave to those pterodactyls. Hi, pterodactyls! We bring our foot in front of our knee and shoot our back leg out behind us and lift up our hips as we go meow, flying all the way home. We take a moment to lie back and relax in our pod plane, coming to sit on our bottoms, legs long, rolling all the way down onto our backs. Our pod plane will take us home, keeping us nice and safe. It's so peaceful and fresh up here in the sky. What an amazing experience, an adventure. Weren't we lucky and brave to see all those amazing dinosaurs? It's very important whenever we see animals in their habitats that we treat them with respect. Whether we're in a park like this, we're diving in the ocean, or we're just out walking in the woods. We are peaceful.